Welcome to Home Garden Inspiration, your ultimate destination for all things beautiful and green. Today we are exploring 16 ideas of small space English cottage gardens for elegant and romantic vintage vibe to transform your outdoor areas. You will discover how even the tightest corners can be overflowing with nostalgic charm and timeless elegance. Make sure to comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our upcoming gardening guides. Vertical space is your best friend when designing a compact English cottage garden. Training elegant climbing roses against walls and structures brings an immediate sense of vintage romance. Their lush blooms and enchanting fragrances create a multi-sensory experience in a limited footprint. Choose classic pink or creamy white varieties to achieve that quintessential, time-tested look. Curved gravel path can make a small outdoor area feel surprisingly expansive and full of mystery. These winding trails guide the eye through dense plantings, encouraging slow, mindful strolls. The soft crunch of gravel underfoot adds a delightful tactile element to your vintage sanctuary. Lining the walkway with spilling lavender completes the romantic old-world aesthetic. Maximizing depth in narrow borders requires strategic layering of timeless perennial plants. Place taller species like foxgloves and delphiniums at the back to create a dramatic backdrop. Fill the middle and front layers with mid-sized geraniums and low-growing catmint for continuous color. This dense arrangement perfectly mimics the carefree, exuberant abundance of traditional English landscapes. Tucking a delicate wrought iron bench into a quiet corner establishes an instant romantic focal point. This cozy seating area invites you to pause and immerse yourself completely in nature's beauty. Painting the ironwork in distressed cream or muted green enhances the antique, weather charm. Surrounded by fragrant herbs, it becomes the perfect spot for morning tea or evening reflection. Grouping weathered terracotta pots allows you to introduce lush cottage style to hardscaped courtyards. Arrange various container sizes together to establish a sense of casual, unforced abundance. Fill them with a mix of trailing lobelia, bright petunias, and aromatic herbs. This flexible approach lets you easily refresh your floral displays throughout the changing seasons. Installing a romantic wooden arbor instantly defines the entrance to your small garden sanctuary. These vertical frameworks support climbing clematis and jasmine, lifting sweet scents into the breeze. The structure creates an enchanting threshold that transitions you from the busy world into a tranquil haven. It adds an architectural elegance that grounds the beautiful free-flowing plant palette. A rustic wooden gate shrouded in greenery introduces a captivating element of mystery to compact spaces. It suggests there is more to explore just beyond the boundary, making the garden feel much grander. Adorn the gate with antique iron latches to lean heavily into the vintage cottage aesthetic. Framing it with overhanging willow or climbing ivy creates an unforgettable fairy tale entry point. devoting a small patch to a chaotic mix of wildflowers brings a carefree, naturalized spirit indoors. Poppies, daisies, and cornflowers mingle effortlessly to attract local pollinators and add vibrant motion. This relaxed planting style requires minimal maintenance while delivering high visual impact. The resulting tapestry of colors embodies the untamed, poetic essence of historic English countrysides. Crisp boxwood hedges provide the essential structure needed to contain the wild enthusiasm of cottage florals. These neatly clipped evergreens form clean borders that keep small spaces looking organized year-round. The sharp green lines contrast beautifully with the soft, billowing textures of nearby perennials. This clever design balance ensures your romantic vintage garden remains elegant rather than cluttered. A traditional herb wheel combines practical utility with a geometric, vintage design element. Segmenting the wheel allows you to grow rosemary, thyme, and sage in an organized space-saving layout. The mingling aromas release a soothing scent whenever you brush past the garden bed. It serves as an attractive aromatic focal point that honors historical cottage gardening traditions. Incorporating a weathered stone birdbath introduces soothing sounds and lively wildlife into your compact yard. The gentle presence of water adds a serene, reflective quality to the vibrant floral surroundings. Choosing a heavily patinated or moss-covered design enhances the authentic antique cottage ambiance. It functions perfectly as a central anchor point around which your romantic plantings can swirl. Restricting your plant selection to soft pastel hues visually expands a limited garden area. Soft pinks, pale blues, and creamy whites create a serene, unified atmosphere that feels incredibly restful. These gentle tones reflect the soft daylight beautifully, enhancing the overall romantic mood. It avoids the visual noise of bright colors, maintaining a sophisticated vintage-inspired elegance. Creating a slightly sunken stone patio establishes an intimate, cozy outdoor room within your garden. This change in level adds architectural interest and a sense of protective enclosure to small spaces. Surround the perimeter with low stone walls topped with spilling, fragrant thymes. It becomes a secluded vintage haven perfectly suited for enjoying quiet, romantic evenings outdoors. Window boxes allow you to seamlessly blend your home architecture with the surrounding cottage garden. Filling them with trailing ivy, bright geraniums, and delicate pansies draws the eye upward beautifully. This vertical extension of greenery ensures that every glance out the window offers a romantic view. It is a simple yet high-impact method to maximize planting space in tight quarters. Winding delicate string lights or hanging vintage lanterns transforms your small garden after nightfall. The soft warm glow casts enchanting shadows across the lush foliage and blooming flowers. This ambient illumination extends the usability of your outdoor sanctuary well into the evening hours. It infuses the entire space with an undeniable, fairy tale romance that feels completely magical. A weathered wooden arch serves as the ultimate crowning piece for a small cottage landscape. It elegantly frames the view of your house while supporting a dense canopy of sweet-scented honeysuckle. As you walk underneath, you are completely enveloped by the nostalgic charm of a bygone era. We hope these ideas inspire your next gardening project, so please remember to comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration.